today's episode of MotoCheez. The following movie is rated I.
Today we're going to pontoon Crystal River. We're going to do Crystal River up to Salt River to Ozello and loop around back to Crystal River. 24.6 miles total. Now let's head to Ozello. I haven't been that way in a while. Freedom. It's shallow over here, but the tide is up a little bit, so we should be safe not to hit anything. Huh. Must have washed up during that hurricane, huh? Definitely could have been a nice boat. It's ticketed. Jeez. That was a nice boat at one time. Looks like the birds make a nest. They made a nest up in that antenna. What is that for schools? What do they call that? Ocean Wildlife Center or something? Wow. Marine biology. Something or other. Yeah, what are they all looking at? We'll have to see. Oh, nothing. I guess they're just fishing and stuff. So we're going up Salt River. I've come up this once before, maybe twice before. Twice. There is a lot of shallow areas. I don't know what I'm doing around here. So we'll take it slow. Huh. Look at the way that current's hitting there. Different currents here. What is... oh yeah, there it is. It's like a little hut. Somebody's little cabin, gazebo type thing. Current's pulling us in. Almost to Ozello. We're the only ones here. Haven't seen a boat in miles since we went underneath that bridge, really. Looks like we made it to the where the bridge is that goes out to Ozello. Never been this far. It is shallow here though, boy. Goes from like 1 to 5 feet, and it's not even low tide. It's like up a little bit. This is a low bridge.
Yeah.
Holy cow. Definitely can't do it with the top up. I'm fishing. So now we're on the south side of Ozello, the island, on Salt River still. Always wanted to do it, but wow, it's real shallow. There's one of the launches. Looks like it's on the side of the road, like Mama said. Not exactly where. Super shallow though. Now I see some markers in the water though, where there weren't any. Yeah, we bottomed out a couple times on the pontoon. Had to back up a little because we're slow going, just in case so we don't hit nothing. If we do, it doesn't damage anything. Now we're finally getting some more markers as we're heading out toward the Gulf. Still haven't seen another boat since we went underneath that bridge. Crazy.
Probably because it's gonna pour.
Nah.
It's still gathering steam from all around. Before there was much more blue.
Wow, there's such a current here. Feels like we're not even moving. What?
Not like the water.
Oh yeah. They got their own island. Yeah, the current's pretty strong. Oh yeah, their dock is done. They gotta fix it. Island home. So we're going around the southern tip of Ozello right now. It's crazy, the wind's blowing behind us. You see the trees, but the current's pushing the opposite way. Looks like another abandoned ship over there. Or boat, whatever. Check it out. I don't think it's been there a very long time. Definitely long enough for somebody to strip all the hardware out of it. Bottoming out here. Whoopsie. It was a little shallow. Another boat that was probably nice in its day. The dock got wrecked. Nice. I think we're on some kind of channel. I hope so. I don't want to hit nothing. I bottomed out a few times, going slow. Well, heading out into the Gulf now. It's high tide, so keeping our fingers crossed that we won't hit anything. It's so clear, you can see right in the water. It's about 4 feet here. Saw a couple dolphins. We're cruising. it. A couple miles. Well, making it back into Crystal River. No wake. Got our eyes on you. That boat was listing pretty good. He must have water in one of his pontoons. There's only 3 people on there. More dolphin. There's someone behind us. Yeah. Guess they want to run them over.
Got their cameras up. Got that beer in his hand. I'll put that down.
Alright, chopped dolphin. Good job.
You see 'em when you're going at a big cliff, you dum-dum.
There they are. Oh, there's a bunch up there too. Yeah, another one. Oh, look at them all.
Oh, look at the one over there.
I got them. These are playing, huh? God, so many. Oh, the penguins are getting a bunch of fish over here. Look at them all. Jeez. Nice shrimp's landing here. Yeah. I see you too. Fancy pelicans. Fly, pelican.
Manny, look at this pelican flying. Come on, pelican.
They're just chilling.
489.
49 for fuel for the boat. 89 non-ethanol. Those pelicans are pooping on his boat.
Guess you shouldn't have backed it.
Yeah, how'd you get off? Almost to the dock. Got a crosswind on us, making us going sideways. And a riptide. That's some people fishing on the pier.
Can't go to the other pier right now.
Right, that's right. The other pier is shut down. try this Phoever 2. See how that is. Together, Phoever. Kung Pao chicken meal, medium. I know you started yours already, but what'd you get?
Chicken and teriyaki.
Chicken teriyaki. And what's that called?
It's just chicken pho.
Chicken pho.
Pho.
It's chicken pho. Well, what is it out of 10?
As far as pho goes, I'd probably give it a 7.
How was yours?
5.
5?
Asian, not my big thing.
Yeah. Mine was probably 7.5. I guess it's hard to tell, but pretty good crosswind there. Pileated woodpecker. I know, you hear it, kitty? It's a woodpecker. Did you hear it? Yeah, I know you did.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.